Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 10, adverbs. So, by the name it's clear, add and verbs. That means adverb add information about verbs. So, first we will see the definition of adverb. What is an adverb? Adverbs are words that add information about verbs, adjective or other adverbs. Adverbs are words that add information about verbs. That means it tells something more about verbs, adjective or other adverbs. And it also answers the questions such as how something is done or when or where something happens. For example, the turtle walked slowly. In this sentence, the word slowly, it modifies the verb walked. So, slowly is an adverb here. Now come to the next sentence. I have the most beautiful doll. As you know, doll is a noun here and beautiful is the adjective which is describing the noun doll here. And the word most is the adverb describing beautiful. Clear, student? So, an adverb is a word that add information about verbs, adjective or other adverb. Clear? Now come to our next topic, kinds of adverb. So, what are the different kinds of adverb? Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency and adverb of duration. These are the different kinds of adverb. So let's begin with the first one, adverb of manner. Word which tells us how the action happened are called adverb of manner. That means an adverb of manner tells us how an action take place or an action has been done. It answers the question how. Okay. For example, she writes slowly. Kamal is singing sweetly. Here the word slowly and sweetly both give the answer of the question how. Adverb of manner derive from adjective and they end in ly. Slowly, then sweetly, quickly, sadly. All these are adverb of manner and it answer the question how. Now come to the next adverb, adverb of time. Word which tells us when the action happen are called adverb of time. That means it answer the question when. Okay. For example, my mother is not at home now. We won the match yesterday. So here the word now and yesterday are adverb of time. An adverb of time is placed at the beginning or end of the sentence. That means all these words now, yesterday, then, before, soon, later, still are adverb of time. Now our third kinds of adverb is adverb of place. Words which tells us where the action happen are called adverb of place. That means it answered the question where. For example, let us go outside. The children are sitting under the tree. So the word outside, under are adverb here. And some common adverb of time are here, there, up, down, above, below, anywhere, etc. Now come to the next adverb. Our next adverb is adverb of frequency. Words which tells us how often the actions happen are called adverb of frequency. That means it gives the answer of the question how often. Okay, so word which tells us how often the actions happen are called adverb of frequency. For example, we sometimes go out for picnic. They never go to movies. So here the word sometimes, never are example of adverb of frequency. Some common adverb of frequency are always, often, rarely, never, twice, occasionally, etc. Our next adverb is adverb of duration. So word which tells us how long the action happen are called adverb of duration. That means it gives the answer of the question how long. For example, she still lives in Mumbai. I have done it already. So here the word still, already are adverb of frequency. So these are the kinds of adverb of frequency. Just have a look. Adverb of manner, it answers the question how. Adverb of time, it answers the question when. Adverb of place, it answers the question where. Adverb of frequency, it answers the question how often. And adverb of duration, it answers the question how long. So I hope all these kinds of adverb are clear to you. Now come to your textbook. So this is your chapter number 10. Adverbs are words that add information about verbs, adjective or add other adverb. That means adverb add or tells us something more about verbs, adjective or other adverb. It gives the answer of the question how, when, where. Now come to your first question. Complete the passage with the adverb given. So adverbs are given here in the bracket and you have to use these adverbs to complete this passage. For example, just have a look. Dash was a great day for Arvind. It was his birthday. He woke up dash. So what is suitable here? Yesterday was a great day for Arvind. It was his birthday. He woke up early. So in this way you have to complete it. Come to the next thing. All the different kinds of adjectives are explained here and I explained it earlier. So adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverbs of place, adverb of frequency and adverb of duration are the different kinds of adverb. Come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Words are given here and you have to complete this. Fill in the blanks by using these words. So what are these words? Late, early, now, tomorrow, yesterday, monthly, yearly and today. These are the different adverbs. So what is your first? Fill in the blanks. Neeraj met me dash. So the correct word is yesterday. He paid his workers late. So the correct word is late here. In this way you have to complete it, you have to fill it. Now come to the next thing. Did you know? Adverb like now, then, sometimes, always, again, yesterday, tomorrow, early, late, soon, usually, seldom, often, never, rarely, etc. are called adverb of manner. Adverb of time. So these are some common example of adverb of time. So you have to learn it. Tick it here. Now turn your page. Come to the next page. Fill in the blanks with the adverb given. Few adverbs are given here and you have to fill this blank by using these adverbs. So what are these adverbs? Just have a look. Everywhere, here, up, inside, out. So these are the different adverbs here. Now come to the first question. He looked dash. He looked out. Next sentence. My sister is dash the house. So my sister is inside the house. In this way you have to complete all. Now come to the next thing. Did you know? Adverbs like here, there, away, near, far, forward, out, in background, anywhere, everywhere, nowhere, outside, inside are called adverb of place. They answer the question where. So these are the few example of adverb of place. So you have to learn it, tick it also. Now come to the next question. It's a question number 4. Write about your habits using the given words. So words are given here and you have to complete this sentence by using these words. And what are these words? Often, always, usually, seldom, sometimes, never, regularly and rarely. So first question, read. I sometimes read storybooks. Now the next clue is play computer games. So I play computer games rarely. Watch TV. I watch TV regularly or rarely or usually or always. You can use anything. Okay. So in this way you have to complete it. Now come to the next question. Adverb not only add information to verbs but also to adjectives and other adverbs. As I explained earlier, an adverb add information about verb, adjective or other adjective. So few sentences are given here. You have to read it. For example, the weather is very pleasant today. Here the word pleasant is adjective and the word very modifies the adjective pleasant here. In the same way, it is extremely cold in winter. So the word extremely modifies the adjective cold here. This bag is too heavy. So the word too modifies the adjective heavy. That means an adverb add information to adjective. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. Let's read. One passage is given here. So read this passage and you have to write the answer of this question. So read this passage carefully and then complete it. Now turn your page. And the next question is, with the help of the hint given, write a paragraph on your school. So you have to write a short paragraph on your